Hey everybody, how's it going? My name is Mark and I'm here to bring you a quick how-to video. The topic for this how-to video is going to be how to change the default screen capture location in Mac OS. If you're like me, you like to keep a nice clean desktop while you're working throughout the day. So let's just get right into it here. So first thing you're going to want to do is pick the location of where you want your screen captures to go. For me, I'm just going to create a folder on the desktop. I'm going to rename this screen captures. Then next, you're going to want to open up Terminal. You can do either by Spotlight or searching in the applications. And I have this little piece of code here that's actually going to change the default location for us. I'm going to put a link to this in the description of a blog post that has this information as well as the code itself. So we're going to go ahead and go to our terminal window. We're going to right click, paste, and one thing that is extremely important is to make sure you have the space here after location. So to make sure you have the space, we're going to go back to our screen captures folder. We'll drag and drop this over here, and what that'll do is it'll copy the system directory path to our terminal window and hit enter. And just like that, your new location for screen captures has been changed to the folder you've created. Let's go ahead and give it a test here. Go ahead and just take a screen capture here. Perfect. We see that did not go to our desktop, and it actually is now it's in the folder. And just as a double check here, we'll open up the folder, and there it is. Alright, thanks guys so much for watching. Have a great day.